say that the addition is commutative for rational numbers, uh, here for this one minus is 1 by 21 and minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 is equal to 21 minus 14 plus 15 is equal to minus 1 by 21. 1 by 21 and here it is 1 by 21. So you can see you find that two rational numbers can be added in any order. We say that the addition is commutative for rational numbers, that is for any two rational numbers a and b. A plus b is equal to b plus c. Now subtraction is 2 by 3 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. You will find that the subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. Note that the subtraction is not commutative for integers, and integers are also rational numbers, so subtraction will not be commutative for rational numbers too. Now third point, multiplication. We minus 7 by 3 into 6 by 5 is equal to minus 42 by 15 is equal to 6 by 5 into minus 7 by 3. Check for some more such products. You will find that the multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. In general, a into b is equal to b into a for any two rational numbers a and b. Now for addition, is minus 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7 divided by minus by 4. You will find that the expression on both sides are not equal. So division is not commutative for rational numbers. Complete the following table. Here blank space is there, you have to fill it. Next point is associativity 1.2.3. First one, the whole numbers. Recall the associativity of the four operations for whole numbers through this table. Multiplication is associative, subtraction is not associative, addition is associative, and division is not associative. Fill in this table and verify the remarks given in the last column. Check for yourself the associativity of different operations for natural numbers. Next one, integers. Associativity of four operations for integers can be seen from this table. Addition is associative, subtraction is not associative, multiplication is associative, division is not associative. For rational numbers, addition, you can check by the solve examples here. Are the two sums equal? Take some more rational numbers and then as above and see if the two sums are equal. We find that addition is associative for a rational number. That is for any three rational numbers a, b and c. A plus in bracket b plus c is equal to a plus b both in bracket and then plus c. Subtraction. You already know that subtraction is not associative for integers. Then what about the rational numbers? Minus 2 by 3 minus in bracket minus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 minus in bracket 4 by 5 big bracket close minus 1 by 2. Check for yourself. Subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. multiplication. Let us check the associativity for the multiplication. We find that, take some more rational numbers and check. So we observe that the multiplication is associative for rational numbers, that is for any three rational numbers a, b and c. A into in bracket b into c is equal to a in bracket a into b in bracket close into c. For division, recall that the division is not associative